बच्चों इस वीडियो में ABCD करने वाले A to Z तक। उससे पहले हो जाए कलर्स नेम। क्या प्यारे बच्चों, कलर्स नेम। येलो कलर, ब्लू कलर, वाइट कलर, स्किन कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, वाइट कलर, स्किन कलर, ब्लू कलर, येलो कलर। ब्लू कलर A for apple, A for apple. B for ball, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. क्या प्यारे बच्चों, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for grapes, G for grapes. Orange color H for hen, H for hen. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jug, J for jug. K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. M for mango, M for mango. N for nest, N for nest. Red color O for orange, O for orange. P for parrot, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for snake, S for snake. T for tomato, T for tomato. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Green color V for van, V for van. W for walk, W for walk. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra. Repeat. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for snake, T for tomato, U for umbrella, V for van, W for walk, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra.